So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about Retireable, which is our video sponsor and an awesome new company that is helping you retire. So you can sign up for Retireable with the link in the description and get a free consultation. They help make the retirement process super easy, and they actually pair you up with a retirement expert to walk you through the whole process. So now retiring is way easier than ever before. So use the link below and get a free consultation. And now let's get started with the video.
Yeah.
And then also, guys, there's another guy. This guy. Oh, whoops. Hold on. I gotta search our group. This guy, Cosmin Mihele. This guy here. This is another great example of a guy who makes a lot of money driving. So you got to join our Facebook group too.
Yeah, join this group, guys.
So
a lot of interesting stuff in there.
He made $448 in 7 hours. So do the math on there.
That's pretty good.
440,
70 an hour?
64 an hour, yeah. So if you want to make $2,000 a week divided by 64, you only got to do 31 hours a week to make $2,000. 30 hours, that's not even that much. But you got to make sure. So this guy, guys, so the strategy to make two grand a week, either you drive a bunch or get an Uber XL car. Do your research. Type in your town on Google, type in. No, I'll do it for you real quick. Let's say you're driving in Boise, Idaho. Uber XL car requirements. You can do this any city in the world. Vehicle requirements. So let's say you want to do Uber XL here. 4 doors, 7 factory installed seats. Eligible vehicles. Here we go. A Chrysler Pacifica. It has to be 2017 or newer. So go look up. I mean, what about like a Ford, what are those bigger ones? Ford
Expedition?
Ford Explorer. Look at this. You can get a 2015 Ford Explorer and make, some you can make XL money.
Yeah.
And that's good money, guys. 2015 is 7 years old, 8 years old. Like, you can get a used Ford Explorer, 100,000 miles on it for like 7-8 grand and start making $2,000 a week.
Yeah.
So there's definitely different strategies out there, but do airport rides because you're going to get big families with a lot of luggage. You'll get XLs. So anyways, I say let's look at the chat real quick.
Okay.
I'll do some shout outs.
Oh, wow. There's a lot going on in there.
I know, for real.
And again, big shout out to Retireable. Thank you so much for giving my audience, you guys, a really easy way to retire, simple and easy, and you can get a free consultation with a retirement expert with Retireable. So use my link below to sign up for Retireable. God bless. Talk to you soon.